The 2006 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.